Hey guys, welcome. I was doing a little Sunday meal prep today and figured I would walk you guys through it. It's very simple stuff. It's just boiling potatoes and boiling mushrooms. As you can see here, these are already washed off, so I'm gonna start loading these into the boiling water I have behind me. Oh yeah, there we go. So this water's already salted. Got some pepper and garlic in there too. These soak up the flavor pretty nice. Oopsie. Yeah, that'll be fine. Yeah, so you might be wondering why potatoes and mushrooms. Well, I'm on a super low fat diet right now. And as you can probably guess, this is a zero fat meal. So it's great to just package up and bring to work. And mushrooms and potatoes, they have a lot of benefits in their own rights. Mushrooms, you might have heard Ray Peat talk about these, but they have a lot of pretty unique benefits, or their combination of benefits is pretty unique. They're fibrous in the way that carrots are, which gives you the benefits of keeping you regular and moving things out of your bowels quickly, which of course is good. And they also have some anti-inflammatory properties. They have some anti-cancer action. I think Chinese studies found that people who ate a certain amount of mushrooms, combined with a certain amount of green tea, at least, had very low cancer rates. And they don't have a ton of protein actually, which surprises people, but the protein that they do have, there's a very good amino acid profile to it. I think it's the glycine to tryptophan, methionine, and cysteine ratio is good, which is something you always want to look out for. And they have, that's right, they have naringin, I think it is. I might be saying that wrong. I'll post the text for it, but that's a good, no, I'm sorry, they have that other one. Naringin's what's in oranges. It's like Apigen or something, Apiningin. You'll figure it out. But yeah, it's a good anti-inflammatory compound. And as for potatoes, they have a lot of nutrients and good amounts in them. I think they have a lot of potassium and magnesium, and they have a little bit of all the B vitamins except for B12, but that's where eating your liver and oysters comes in, of course. And they're very satiating. I find just, one potato really holds me over for a pretty long time. And no fat, of course, which is primarily what I'm looking for. And this isn't a super high protein meal, but the thing is I get most of my protein from skim milk and collagen lately. But having a diet that's that liquid wasn't necessarily ideal, so it's good to incorporate some good solid foods like the mushrooms and the potatoes in, and they're easy, so why not? So yeah, I'm gonna leave this boiling for a full hour, because that's what it takes to deactivate hydrazine, which is a toxic compound found in mushrooms, and you don't want to get too much of it. But if you boil it for an hour, you get all the benefits, and you deactivate that. So it's gonna do. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, I'm back. It's been an hour. I'm gonna strain these out. Cool for a second first. Alright, hold on. Actually, let's do this. It's getting a little too close to comfort there. Yeah, sometimes that happens. They open up when you boil them. Nothing wrong with that. All right, there we go. So yeah, there we have it. That's like 5 meals worth of stuff right there. Try to make sure it's not dripping. All right. So here we go. Going to, still hot. Still hot. Okay. Get some of this ready on a plate for dinner now. Okay. And the rest go in this glassware that I got. Oh man. Big potatoes this time. Yeah, that's fine. There we go. Mushrooms in there. That'll be fine. Here, let's get some more. There we go. That's more like it. Right. Oh yeah, one other thing I wanted to mention. Incorporating boiled potatoes is actually a great way to get rid of any fast food cravings you have. For a while, I found I could never really get around wanting French fries for a while. You know, like maybe once a week or something. But boiled potatoes with a bunch of salt in there, it'll hit that craving in a much healthier way. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, yeah. Let's get 1 extra in here. And 1 extra in here. So there we go. Got two meals, 2 lunches to set aside in these guys. These I could keep home for 2 dinners, maybe break them out for lunches later on. And this I'm gonna have right now. So what I do with this, when I'm home and I got some time, I get a little creative with it. Split the potato. Cut it up a little more. It gets nice and crumbly when you boil it for that long, which I like actually. Digests a lot easier. You guys remember the carrot episode? So yeah, I'll throw a nice carrot in the mix here. Get a little raw onion. Yeah, that's good. And then salt on there, especially on the potato. Balance out that potassium. A little pepper. Hey, let me know in the comments how you guys like my pepper technique. I've heard some people complain about it. I think they're just being picky. So let me know. You have problems with this? Alright, a little bit of garlic powder too, why not? And then top it all off. A little bit of salsa. I'm gonna do a spoon. we go. If I'm in more of a rush and at work, I'll just do, you know, salt and ketchup on those and good enough to get me through the day. But yeah, how good does that look, huh? All right, I'm gonna eat this. I'll see you guys next time.